Do you prefer cute round eyes or long eyes? Teach you how in only 4 steps to switch between the two. Original video is from Xiao Chun Ri Ching. Let's start. The focus of the round eyes is to magnify up and down vertically. Use a liquid eyeliner pen. Draw a line from the eye head to the eye tail and end the line facing downward. Draw thickly in the middle, but thinly on both sides. This will make the eye look rounder. Draw bottom eyeliner in the middle of the lower part of the eye. Then smudge with your hands to have a more natural look. This will make the eye rounder, which will magnify it vertically up and down. The focus of long eyes is to stretch left and right horizontally. Draw a line from the eye head to the last third of the eye. Then draw slightly upward and horizontally. End the line facing upward. Draw on the eye head. Avoid drawing on the area under the pupil. The bottom eyeline should be drawn on the last third of the lower eye. Then smudge with your hands to have a more natural look. After drawing the eyeliner, you can clearly see the differences. For round eyes, draw a lying silkworm that is wide in the middle and narrow on both sides. For long eyes, you may skip the drawing of the lying silkworm. Use an eyelash curler. For round eyes, focus more on the eyelashes near the middle of the eye. Akin to sunflower eyelashes. Then use mascara on both the top and bottom eyelashes, focusing more on the eyelashes near the middle of the eye. Draw some lower eyelashes with eyeliner. Stick on a few fairy hair false eyelashes. For long eyes, focus more on eyelashes near the eye tail. Use an eyelash curler and mascara on eyelashes near the eye tail. Stick on a few fairy hair false eyelashes near the eye tail. Use eyeliner to draw lower eyelashes near the eye tail. For round eyes, apply eye glitter near the middle of the top and lower. For long eyes, to apply eye glitter near the eye head. The round eye on the left is magnified vertically and looks cute. The long eye on the right is stretched horizontally to make it more imperious. Learning these two methods will allow you to switch from round eyes to long eyes. Also, from long to round eyes. Hope you can find the eye shape that suits you.